Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 6 for the subject of general knowledge, dated 8th February 2021. This voice is of Harminder Kaur. Children, in today's lesson, we will learn about tribes. A tribe is a group of people who are made up of many families, clans, or generation that share the same language, customs, and beliefs. Tribal people are those who stay away from the modern world. There are thousands of small and large tribal groups around the world. Eskimos. Eskimos are the indigenous people who have traditionally inhabited the northern circumpolar region from eastern Siberia, that is Russia, to Alaska, United States. These tribes are found in the extreme cold regions of the world. The climatic conditions are unfavorable for agriculture, so they eat meat to survive. They hunt seals, whales, birds, and various other fishes. To protect themselves from the extreme cold, they wear clothes made of polar bear skin and other furry animal skin. They live in igloos made up of ice and snow blocks. Mori tribe. The Maori tribe lives in New Zealand. They practice horticulture. When New Zealand was colonized by the Europeans, influenced by them, the Maori people started following Western culture. The permanent tattoos called ta moko on their bodies have become a trend among the Westerns. The Mori people are also famous for their Haka dance. Bhutiya tribe. Bhutiya tribes are of the Tibetan origin. They migrated to Sikkim around 16th century. Majority of the Bhutiyas are concentrated in the dry valley of the North Sikkim. They prefer living in joint families. A Bhutiya house is called kin. Their occupation is usually farming, producing vegetables and fruits, weaving, breeding yaks and sheep. Garo tribe. The Garos are an indigenous tribe, Burma ethnic group from the Indian subcontinent, found in the Indian states of Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Nagaland. A large part of the Garo community follow Christianity and some rural people following the religion known as Sansarik. In Garo tribes, women are the owners of property and are the head of Garo families known as matriarch. Khasi tribe. The Khasi people are an indigenous ethnic group of Meghalaya in northeastern India, bordering the state of Assam and certain parts of Bangladesh. Under the Constitution of India, the Khasis have been granted the status of scheduled tribe. Majority of Khasi people follow Christianity and minority people follow Islam. They are mostly meat eating people with their staple food consisting of rice and meat. In Khasi tribe, women are given more importance than men. The youngest daughter inherits the property from her mother. Virli tribe. The Virlis are an indigenous tribe or Adivasis of western India, living in mountainous as well as coastal areas along the Maharashtra Gujarat border and surrounding areas. The Virli people speak the Virli language, classified as Konkani. Virli painting is the cultural, intellectual property of the tribal community. This painting is done on a red arch, an earthy pigment containing ferric oxide, typically with clay, varying from light yellow to brown or red. Background with white paint, and only these two colors are used. The people were traditionally semi nomadic. They cultivated crops like rice and wheat. Karambar tribe. Karambar is one of the six ancient tribal groups in Tamil Nadu. They are one of the earliest known inhabitants of the Western Ghats who are engaged in hunting, in the collection and gathering of forest produce, mainly wild honey and wax. The members of the community are short, have dark skin, and have protruding, that is, bulged out foreheads. They believe in Hinduism. The main deity, a god or goddess of the tribe, is Lord Shiva or Bhairav. They also worship birds, animals, trees, rock, hillocks, and snakes. They cultivate ragi, coffee, jackfruit, and eat rice, fish, meat. Andamanese tribe. Andamanese are the various indigenous people of the Andaman Islands, part of India's Andaman and Nicobar Island, that is Union Territory. In the southeastern part of Bay of Bengal, in Southeast Asia. They traditionally live a hunter gatherer lifestyle and are considered as Negroes owing to their dark skin and believed that they have arrived in the island from Africa 60,000 years ago. They survive by hunting, fishing, and gathering the food from their surroundings. Hindi serves as their primary language. Their main crops include rice, coconuts, betel, fruits, and spices. Rubber, oil palms, and cashews are also important. Thank you, children.